Hey everyone, for this video I'm going to show you how I set up and connect my Sentry Mini to my iPad through which I use ForeFlight. So I take my Sentry Mini out of its little handy dandy little case and I connect it to my RAM mount, which came with the Sentry Mini. It's actually a really cool mounting system, and the Sentry Mini has a little male connector right here that clamps right in, and you got to be sure to turn it all the way and turn it in. It'll clip in like that. After that, I like to put it right here. This way I can see if the ADS-B in is working as well as GPS. And then you simply turn this clamping mechanism on the RAM mount, and now your Sentry is connected to the window. Next, what you have to do, Sentry Minis, unlike the regular Sentries, do not have an internal power source, so you're going to need an external power source for a Sentry Mini. And so this is where I connect my power source to my Sentry Mini. And there you go, power connected. And for now, I'll just put this right here. I usually put this either under my thigh or in my lap. All right, after that, you're gonna have to open up your iPad. And once you've opened up your iPad, you're gonna need to go into your iPad settings and go to Wi-Fi. And in the Wi-Fi network options, you'll see Sentry Mini _ blah, 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 blah. They're all different. So this one is my Sentry Mini, and I'll click connect. And pretty soon it's gonna tell me that it is connected to my Sentry Mini via the internal Wi-Fi. No internet connection is fine. You do not need internet connection. It's always going to say that because you're just it's an internal network. And right here you can see on the Sentry Mini it's already picked up GPS on the ground. And so if you want to test to make sure you're connected, you open up your ForeFlight. Zero in on your location, and there I am in Goose Creek Airport. Wonderful. Well, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.